Hi all, welcome to Automation Tech Stuff channel. Today we are going to see what is the difference between report portal and extent report, and we are going to see about what are the different options available in the report portal. Let's get started. Here we are going to see the major difference between the report portal and the extent report. The first difference is real-time reporting and analytics. Like when you are running your script, we can get the real-time execution details. Like if it is login, then we can get the login details in that report portal. But extent report, once the execution is over, then only we can get all the results about that execution. That feature we are having here, and test history and logs and screenshot we don't need to add the any exception details in report portal. Actually report portal will take care of that, and logs also we are using the log4j logs, so we can attach the log and we can attach the screenshot as well. But extent report we can attach only the screenshot, and we can add the log by using extent report inbuilt method, by using external report inbuilt methods, and classifying the defects. Like in a report portal we can classify the report, like if it is a automation issue or a system issue or product issue, like that we can classify, we can give the classification to that particular bug. But external report we cannot give any classification. And in report portal there is one option available called auto analyzer. What it will do is, like a first, when you are doing the first time execution, you have to mention, classify the bug name. Like if it is a automation bug or system bug, we have to mention it. On next execution onwards, it will analyze each and every execution, and it will classify the defect details. Like it is a system issue, this is a product issue. For this they have used some ML models, but in extent report we don't have that. And in report portal they are providing the too many integrations, like email and Jira integrations, but in extent report there is no such things available. Next we will going to see what are the different option, and how we can see the real time reporting and analytics, and that classification of defect on auto analyzer as well. Now we will going to see about how we can analyze the real time data. Like when you are running the script first time, we can get the real time analytics. Like we can monitor the real time data. Now the Chrome browser is open, so we will check here. Yeah, now the script is running, so it is indicating the script is running. And here now the suit is running under test. If you are refresh other detail also, we can get it here. Still the test is running. So under test we are having too many methods, so it is running here. So once the execution is over, we can get the overall report here. When you are running the first script first time, we will get the details is like in under investigate only. If you are click on this investigate, we can um, click the defect type. Like you can mention this as a product bug or automation or a system issue on no defect, like that we can give with the command. Once you give this defect type, once you assign this defect type first time, after next execution onwards, it will automatically mark it this as a product issue or some other issue. Like our execution also here automatically it marked that as a what kind of the issue it is. Like that we can do the real time monetization and auto analysis also. Like if you want to do the auto analysis, we have to enable something in our project. Like here they are giving the option called auto analysis. If you are turn on this auto analysis, then only it will analyze the past execution and it will provide the data defect type to our current execution. And they are providing some other options also, like how many days we can keep the attachments and logs, those details they are providing, and we can integrate with the email as well, and we can get the notification as well if you are integrate your smtp server to this report portal. And the defect type, we can classify the defects like this is a product bug or some other bug, and we can do the pattern analysis also. Like this type we can do it. Next we are going to see like how the logs look like, and how the screenshot is look like. Here if you are going here under this product bug, we can get the logs, and here we are having logs, right? It is failed, and with the exception details we are having, and the screenshot also we are having here. If you want to see only screenshot, you can see under attachments and the history of actions. Like above, we can see what are the execution happen, and each execution which one is passed and which one is failed. Like that, we can see all the execution details here, and we can make the decision also, like a product bug or some other bug. Like that, we can make the decision, and it will analyze and show you the percentage of analyze. Like now it is 98 percentage analyze suggestions by using that ml model. So this is how we can analyze the script. After that, they are providing that integrations, right? We have seen this as well, like what are the integrations they are providing, and the auto analyze also we have seen, and they are providing debug option. In your script, you have to mention you are going to run the default or debug. Once it is done, then we can get the data here under debug. And dashboards, we can customize the dashboard as well. Like they are providing option called add new dashboard. Here you can add the dashboard. After that, what are the widgets you want, you can add here. Like they are providing around 20 widgets. Like each widgets, you can get the details like this. So this is how the graph is look like launches at a six start, and different launches comparison chart and other options they are providing. And in the launches, we can they are providing the actions. In this, we can merge two or more reports, and we can compare the reports. And if the execution is there in under debug option, under debug component, then we can move it to here as well. And if you want to force finish the execution, we can force finish the execution. And you want to delete any one of the report, we can delete it also. That also they are providing, and they are providing too many filter options. Like here, based on the launch number description, we can filter it. Here they have given too many filter options, and under filter also we can filter it. And this is a debug mode. This is a product member. Like you want to invite any users, then you can invite it. Here project settings, general, integration details, and notification, and defect type details, auto analysis and pattern analysis they are providing. And this is a completely open source one. If you are going with the enterprises one, then there is only one difference between the open source and the enterprises. The difference is a like a gating is a difference between the open source and enterprises. Gating means like a if it is more than 5 bug, we have to stop the execution. Like that, we can mention some gatings. That is the only difference between the open source and the enterprises version. Yeah. As of now, we will see this much. On the next video, we will see briefly like how we can integrate it, and I will show you in that Eclipse like what are the parameter we have keep it in our Eclipse, and how we can hit this particular page and update the results here. Those detail we will see on the next video. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video.